Are you thinking about selling without professional help? Avoid headaches and maximize on your success. Have you ever heard that luck happens when preparation meets opportunity? Let's talk about that. I'm speaking to all homeowners who are contemplating selling their home in this challenging market, especially those home sellers who think they can sell on their own and get the most money possible. There's no doubt in my mind that you can't sell your home on your own. The big question is, can you sell your home and get the most money possible? That's the question. Now, if you are a home seller and you don't care about getting all the equity your home has in it and you want to give it away to someone who hasn't earned it, well, guess what? This message probably isn't for you. Now, if you are a home seller that wants to receive all that your home is worth, continue listening. Did you know that by selling your home on your own, that you can face many problems that will cost you big bucks? I know you're probably thinking, how and what can possibly happen? All I need to do is put a sign in my yard, post it on my social media sites, place it on Zillow, have some flyers and postcards created. And guess what? You're absolutely right. Those are just the bare minimum of activities that you can do. Oh, I forgot this one. You can pay a small fee to have your home placed in the multiple listing services. You could absolutely do that for a limited type of service. So what that means is that whomever you're paying that small fee to, they are not going to market your property and they're not going to represent you 100%. Do you realize that your absolute first problem is limited exposure? Would you agree that more demand equals more money? Did you know that 92% of homes were agent-assisted sales? What does this mean? Simply put, that there are only 8% of buyers who does not use an agent. You want to get the most money from the sale of your home. So wouldn't you agree that you would like to expose your home to 100% of the buyers and 100% of agents? In order to create a demand, you must go all out. In order for you to sell your home at maximum price, you need 100% exposure. Do you know why 92% of buyers use a real estate agent when they purchase a home? Because it's a free service to them. They can get full representation, full negotiating skills, not only on price, but also on repairs and terms. They can get a market analysis. They get access to reputable mortgage lenders, appraisers, inspectors, attorneys, advice every step of the way. And because they are using an agent, they literally have access to all available homes. So, let me ask you a question. Why wouldn't a buyer use a professional, knowledgeable real estate agent if they can get all these services and more for free? Why wouldn't they? They would, and guess what? They are. When you are selling your home on your own, do you know that you are attracting bargain hunters looking for a deal? Now, for those buyers, the 8% who don't use an agent is looking for a super duper deal. They are. They're looking to save money. So they will approach a for sale by owner because they understand that the owner does not want to pay commissions. So they offer a lower amount on your home. Did you know that for sale by owners on average sell their homes for 24% less than top market price? Those are the stats, people. So, even by you paying a 6% commission, you will still be netting 18% more than if you sold it on your own. The main reason why is due to limited exposure. You are only exposing your property to 8% of the buyers. Problem number 3. You are being approached by unqualified buyers who just want to waste your time. Shucks, this is a challenge for real estate agents. Did you know that only 4% of buyers are just lookers? They are not ready, willing, and able to buy, and we, the real estate agent, have to know how to separate the true buyers from the lookers. This comes with a skill set, people. We are trained and equipped to have these conversations to quickly understand a person's buying power. You will get many interests from people who say they are interested in possibly buying your home, but can they really? How would you know that up front? Do you know the qualifying questions to ask people and not waste your time? Another question I want to ask you. Does it matter more of the number of people viewing your home, or does it matter more the quality of the person viewing your home? Think about that. Problem number 4. Do you have negotiation skills? Who's assisting you with negotiations? Is it your attorney? Yeah, attorneys do not negotiate price and terms. They don't help market the property for maximum exposure. They don't separate lookers from buyers. They will read the contract and help you to understand the documents. That's what they do. Usually, if the attorney gives any type of negotiation advice at all, they will instruct you to sell your property as is, which can also hurt you. If after a buyer had their inspections done and there are only minor repairs needed, say for, several hundreds of dollars or so, with an as-is contract, that buyer can just walk away and a great deal can just fall by the wayside. And guess what? Then you are forced to have to find another buyer. A real estate agent will negotiate the repairs, the terms, any appraisal issues. All types of things comes with hiring a great professional, a knowledgeable agent who can and will provide necessary comps to support any appraisal challenges. Problem number 5, legal liability. Yes, that's a real thing. Real estate agents have insurance to protect against any documentation that may be filled out incorrectly. There are several documents that need to be filled out completely and accurately by the seller, and if it's not done correctly, guess what? It can cost you major money in the long run. Facts, one of the most common lawsuits, involve unrepresented buyers and unrepresented sellers in real estate. I know you don't want to be a part of that. Problem number 6, safety and security. Oh my goodness. I tell you what, when you are opening up your home to people that you do not know, that is scary nowadays. Get with a real estate agent who provides a secured lockbox and an appointment scheduler that will give you all of the contact information for everyone entering your home. Nowadays, you have to be very careful who you're opening your door to. I know you will agree with that. Hey guys, I have given you so much information, and I have been very successful with helping several for sale by owners to prevent a lot of these problems. And in return, they have been able to net more money in a least amount of time. So regardless if you hire me or another agent, I say please, 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 I'm almost begging you to seek a knowledgeable, professional, and experienced agent who is going to help you get the most money at the least amount of time for your investment. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that this information has been very helpful. If you are interested in receiving a home evaluation for your particular home, it is free. Just reach out to me. I will provide that information with no strings attached. There are no obligations to list with me. There is no obligation for you to work with me. I just want to provide that information so that you know the value of your investment. Until we meet again, Thank you so much and be blessed.